Are you a homeowner in Goodyear, Arizona looking to keep your furnace running smoothly? Look no further than Williams Air Conditioning and Heating. As the cooler months approach, it's important to ensure that your furnace is properly maintained to avoid any unexpected breakdowns. Regular furnace maintenance is crucial in maintaining a comfortable and warm home during the winter season. Not only does it improve the reliability and longevity of your furnace, but it also helps to reduce energy costs. This is because a well-maintained furnace operates more efficiently, using less energy to heat your home. At Williams Air Conditioning and Heating, we offer comprehensive furnace maintenance services to keep your system running at its best. Our experienced technicians will thoroughly inspect and clean your furnace, checking for any potential issues or malfunctions. We also replace air filters and make any necessary adjustments to ensure optimal performance. During our maintenance visit, we will also inspect and clean the ductwork connected to your furnace. Over time, dirt, dust, and debris can accumulate in your ducts, reducing the efficiency of your furnace and potentially circulating harmful pollutants in your home. Our expert technicians will remove any buildup and ensure that your ducts are clean and clear. Call us today. Why is furnace maintenance important? Furnace maintenance is crucial for ensuring the efficiency, reliability, and longevity of your heating system. Regular maintenance helps identify and address any potential issues before they escalate into costly repairs or system failures. It also helps improve indoor air quality and ensures safety by reducing the risk of carbon monoxide leaks. How often should I schedule furnace maintenance? It's recommended to schedule furnace maintenance at least once a year, ideally before the start of the heating season. Fall is typically the best time to schedule maintenance, ensuring your furnace is in top condition before the colder months in Goodyear, Arizona. Can furnace maintenance help lower energy bills? Yes, regular furnace maintenance can help lower energy bills by ensuring your system operates at peak efficiency. A well-maintained furnace doesn't have to work as hard to heat your home, resulting in reduced energy consumption and lower utility costs. Where is Williams Air Conditioning and Heating located? We are located at 15359 West Morning Glory Street, Goodyear, Arizona 85338. Our phone number is 623-439-8309. Visit our website, www.williamsairandheating.com/.